Thermal, yung sa armory. Di ba may mission yun? Ano yung mission nun?
Madali pero di
Kumukuha-
namin nagawa.
Secure each sector one by one and eliminate the enemy presence.
Pwede natin sugurin yan eh. Nag-smoke screen lang ako.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Alpha.
Ay, gago, naka-single fire pa ako.
I-separate mo. Pwede mo yung separate eh.
Smoke barrage ready.
Puta, pre. Sorry.
Grenade! Skeleton activated!
Nandito na, pre, ah.
Mukhang malalakas ng mga kalaban natin ah.
Puta. Hindi matama ako.
Objective Alpha clear. We are fighting for the whole world. Forward!
Ina na.
Magic.
Pati na-edit, lag-lag eh.
Capture this
Ayun, dito,
sector.
dito,
Don't give them
dito.
any ground.
So, pwede mo ako ma...
Pag nagde-depend sa ano.
Bagong dami pala sa akin. Palo yung mga attacker ngayon ah. Kung isang bumawi.
Glad to see me.
Wala ka.
Past 12?
Enemy found!
Likod mo. Crack. Putang ina.
Strike out!
Medic.
Enemy neutralized!
Tara, just ikot tayo papuntang B2. Ay, shit. Namatay ka. Gali mo?
Ayun oh, sarap.
Ay, puta. Di namatay. Parang ina naman.
Hindi mo nakapatid ka ako, hindi ko napansin
On
agad.
objective
Gago.
Bravo 1.
Hit mark pre, pero hindi siya nataob. Grabe naman yan. Kaumay. Hindi ako makaikot na naman. Ang ina talaga.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 1.
Ikot ako dito, lagay ako beacon.
Keep suppressing them!
Dalawa sa harap mo ha. Bandang left mo meron.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Bravo 2.
Likod mo rin mo.
Copy.
Our forces are well prepared. Push forward.
Meron pa isa na malapit.
Uy, taas, taas! Puta, sira na yung beacon. Ang purumi talaga, gago to. Mali ang pagkalagay ko ng beacon. Nako. Puta.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 1.
Okay na sana eh.
Jealous ko, pro doon.
Tangina. P90 yan.
Ina, epal naman yung nasa kanan ko.
We've neutralized
Papansin.
objective Bravo 1. Allied troops engaging at objective Bravo 2. We have taken objective Bravo 1.
Patay agad. Ina, sakto sumabog.
Puta. Gumigilid-gilid lang.
Tara, bito nga ta.
Dito ka na?
The enemy is attacking objective Bravo 1.
Hirap na pass. Ano yan?
Allied troops engaging at objective Bravo 2.
Ina yan? Puntahan ko daw yan.
The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1.
Reloading! Cover me!
Finish them all! We neutralized objective Bravo 2.
Ina. Wala.
Oy! Ay, ponyeta!
The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1.
Wisit! Gago talaga.
Clear the area! The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1.
Puta, di pa namatay.
The enemy has captured objective Bravo 2.
Nabol ako nung putang inang yan.
Ay, nako.
Hindi ako makalagay ng beacon, sorry.
Wala.
Nahirapan ako. Daming mga sweaty.
The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1. Really close one!
Ang unang Byron yan.
Time to wipe havoc out once and for all.
Bito, secure ka. Dali lang to. Ang dami sa nakatambay sa bito. Sa bolt tank.
Attack! Keep them out! Exoskeleton activated!
Lapit na, malapit na. Sabi na ako ng stick pala, palitan ko yung ano ko.
Puta.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie.
Puta, di ko nalagay yung beacon. Tangin. Sibal. Pwesto na sana.
Medic! I need help!
Dito na lang. Wala ako choice.
Tapos wala pa akong pabuhat lang ata ako eh.
Ay, nako, likod pala. Buisit siya.
Tang ina mo. Yung sa likod. Papatay ko sa lumikod sa'yo eh.
Objective Charlie cleared. Stay frosty.
Let's make it quick!
Uy, guys.
Ay, punyeta, nililikuran ako.
Meron, layo talaga. Habang ano dyan, nagdo-drop ng beacon.
Ta.
Saan yung mga kampi natin?
Sabog na ata beacon ko.
Wala na,
Ay,
guys.
gago, ang layo. Hala. Punyeta.
Wala akong mahanap na.
Wala,
Di ba
sumabog
natin may
yung beacon
dito
ko.
ng kampi?
Andun na yun eh. Uy, uy. Uy.
Wala pa akong kill, gago.
Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Charlie.
Ah, tinunan pa ako ng
Look
kill.
out! Man down! Man down!
We've neutralized Objective Charlie.
Ready to detonate!
Eh, puta! Gago! Sniper ka pang punyeta ko.
Ah, saan ba yan? Ba't di binabaril lang yung ibang kampi natin?
Ah, puta talaga.
Natitignan lang nila.
Pangit ng triple.
Bakit mo? Pabuhay ko talaga eh. Hindi ka kayo
Wala ako just mag-artillery na lang ako.
After that, artillery barrage incoming.
Low.
I'm reloading.
Yeah.
Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Charlie.
Ah, pagpasok ko, may kalaban. Paglabas, may kalaban na din.
We've lost half our reinforcements. Speed up the attack.
Sige.
Getting bombed out!
Saan yung ibang squad? Ang ina. Parang kayo lang apat ang gumagalaw.
Yung papakit, syempre, kapaba.
I'm ready for another fight!
Yeah, kung naman patay.
Overload activated!
Ah, nababawasan na
Target
naman.
down!
I didn't miss it.
Ah, tang ina.
Requesting artillery barrage!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Allied troops neutralizing objective Charlie.
Enemy neutralized!
Tangina. Tangina. Hala. Gagong bot yan.
This objective can make or break the battle.
Go.
Taking it down.
Oh, patay na naman.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie.
Ay, tangina.
Oh, putin na talaga. Hey, kanina pa ako narinig dyan. Tatlong guys ko, narinig tatlong beses.
Roger that. Artillery
Let's
barrage
make it
incoming.
quick!
Kung hindi ko nakakasunod pa lang,
Beacon deployed.
agad yan. Alat naman ang
Ay, puta.
yun dapat.
Launching an assault on objective
Hala.
Charlie.
Aimbot. Tangina niya. Aimbot ata tong quartet eh. Sira na naman beacon ko.
It's mine.
Hindi kasi may nag-aimbot kasi.
Triple blaster charges up!
We've got heavy losses. Push harder and capture the sector.
Artillery.
We've neutralized objective Charlie. Prepare for the enemy counter.
Ay, putang. Kukuha na naman.
Oh, kalat naman. Pakina naman.
Wala kasi nga yung ibang
Roger
squad
that.
hindi naglalagay ng
Artillery
beacon sa
barrage
loob.
incoming.
Baka bot ata yung ibang squad eh.
Yala, ano tayo?
Ang lala nila. Pakalala, sobra.
It's our turn!
Break through enemy lines or we risk losing.
Pilsyo, no? Gago. Lalabas pa lang, patay na.
Hindi ako nakita.
Barrage ready.
Ang dami talaga, sobrang kalat nila.
West missile strike
Go.
on coordinates, over!
Wait lang, gago.
That
Patay
is
ako.
missile launch.
Okay.
Itong dark spec. Lumalabas sila.
Oh, nabutan pa ako nun.
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Charlie. Come to support.
Hala, tangina.
Barrage ready.
Oh, gago talaga kung saan ako
Kakaspon.
kami nakabang sa akin.
Objective Charlie clear.
Kakaspon
Give them
ko
no
lang.
room to breathe.
Wala na, konti
Enemy
lang
key
tayo.
objective is under our control.
80 lang yan.
Continue the attack. Wreak
Ano
havoc
tayo?
for every life they control.
Konti lang
Rock
yan.
out!
Yan, may beacon na ako.
Allied troops neutralizing objective Delta 1. Emergency reinforcements are needed.
My bad!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Regular ako.
Delta 1, clear. Press on.
Alis kayo dyan, alis kayo dyan.
Objective Delta 1 is ours. Buck up.
Tamaan kayo?
Objective Delta 1 is under attack. Allied troops engaging in Objective Delta 2. Strengthen the offensive.
Nasa dito na ako. Pero baka di ko ma-hold ha? Wala kasi akong
Look
nakikita.
towards at 25%. Stay sharp.
Ay shit, wala akong aim, wala akong aim.
Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta 2. Come to support. We've neutralized Objective Delta 2. Prepare for the
Nadapa-dapa ka pa
enemy
dyan eh.
counter.
Wait
Nasa
lang.
dito na ako pre. Problema yung team 1. Hindi nila hino-hold.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Exoskeleton activated!
Today is the day we put an end to Havoc's ideas of a new world.
Away!
Ah, puta, hindi na headshot. Okay, goods. Goods. Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Attack.
Deb.
Keep them out. Capture the last
Copy,
sector. We're going to win this. This is their last line of defense. Copy. Vehicle drop to designated location.
Got them right there!
Try ko maglagay beacon sa yung sana kanina.
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Hindi mo na ako mag-engage.
Ay! Ito!
Spawn ka dito sa akin.
Grenade launched!
Nobody's gonna know.
Strike out!
Victory in sight. They can't hold much longer.
Ano na niya? May tangke pala. Ah, shit!
Medic! I'm here! Thanks, soldier!
Hirap. Napaka-hard, pre.
I'm ready for another fight!
Uy,
Kupal lang tangke.
naka-sniper dun oh. Pwede ako.
This is their last stand. Take the sector.
Request artillery barrage on coordinates.
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Eh, nakita
Clear
ako.
the blast.
Video talaga. Tabi kayo. Alis kayo
Dito
dyan.
sila.
Alis kayo. Dapat di kayo mamatay. Nice. Mamatay kayo.
Finish them all.
This is their last line of defense.
Clear the area.
Puta, di namatay. Tangina. Comforted. 5 kills na lang. 5 kills na lang. Makaguided ako.
Nakating sa akin.
55, di ba?
They've nowhere else to run. Final push.
Smoke barrage ready.
Hindi pala abot. Di abot. Di abot ako.
High threat enemy units marked. Take them out.
Triple blaster charges up.
Yung artillery na lang, no?
Blasting them.
Ako yun. Shot. Pre, kakampi mo ako,
Roger
pre.
that. Artillery barrage incoming. Victory in sight. They can't hold much longer. We have an urgent situation. Take this sector now.
Putan ako, putin ko to. Kanina pa to eh.
Artillery na lang.
Dito sa akin.
Capture the last
Ay,
sector.
ponyeta.
We're going to
Nakita
win
ako.
this.
Strike out.
This is their last line of
Grabe
defense.
na ako ni sa medic oh. Wala, layo na.
Hala! Bakit, Ram?
Hindi nakapaglagay ng beacon.
Naglagay ako pero nasira ata. Yung General Beacon.
Ba?
Konti na lang
Roger that.
makapag ano na ako.
Artillery barrage
Kapag... Tawag yan? Guided. Oo.
Copy.
Isang guided
Vehicles
na
off the
talaga.
designated location.
Oh, tanga na naman. Tanga ng mga to oh. Ayaw makatay agad.
Nice.
One objective left. You're almost there.
Na.
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
12 na lang.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Kulang points ko, pre. Yata ako abot sa guided.
It's our turn.
Yeah, tatay ng S4 oh.
Guided missiles launched.
Go, go! Nag-guided. Sino nag-guided? Thank you. Nice!
Smoke barrage ready.
Nag-guided din sila.
Goto. Korap ko lang.
Don't turn back. Take the objective. Victory will soon be ours.
1 minute. Tangina, sayang.
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
Launching grenade!
Take the objective or we'll lose this battle.
Oh, may tao
Ay,
sa
la-
kanan.
Victory is sight. They can't
Tang
hold
ina.
much longer.
Di ko siya nakikita. Seconds.
Cheers, glad to see me. Reloading.
Grenade on the way!
This is their last line of defense.
Puta, hindi ako yung Perocino. Wala. Di ako
Strategic beacon.
lagi ako
deployed.
namamatay.
Strike out!
Capture the last sector. We're going to win this.
Ay, hawa.
One objective left.
Puta,
You're almost there.
supported talaga eh. 20 seconds.
Got one!
Hindi ako makaguided, di naabot. Puta! Tangina talaga tong Spectre.
We
Kanina
have a
pa to.
critical situation. The enemy is
Saan yung
taking the
kalaban?
objective.
Hindi na ako makaguided. Puta talaga.
Strategic
Wala na to. Ay, gago. Layo.
Operation failed.
Ngayon ba?
Move out,
Puta.
operator.
Ngayon, guided.
Oh, ano, malas ah.
Ngayon pa nag